Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm showing you how to add a freebie to your Stan store, so you can start building your email list and growing your audience the smart way. First, what is a freebie? A freebie is something you give away for free, like a guide, checklist, mini video, or training, in exchange for someone's email address. It's one of the smartest ways to build trust, grow your list, and warm up buyers before you ever sell anything. Here's exactly how you add one inside Stan Store. Step 1. Click Add New Offer. Inside your Stan dashboard, click the Add New Offer button. Step 2. Choose Freebie. Stan will ask what type of offer you want to add. Choose Freebie from the options. Step 3. Fill in the freebie details. Offer title. Name it something clear and exciting. Example: free Instagram story scripts or 30 days of content ideas. Description: write 1 to 2 sentences about what they're getting and why it's valuable. Upload your file or link. You can either upload a PDF, guide, workbook, or link to a page if you host it elsewhere. Step 4. Set email capture settings. Stan automatically collects emails for you when someone signs up for a freebie. You can also customize the confirmation message that pops up after someone claims the freebie. Example: check your inbox. Your free guide is on the way. Step 5. Publish your freebie. Once everything is filled out, click Publish. Your freebie will now show up on your Stan Store link, ready for people to grab and join your list. Why freebies matter. Every download grows your email list. Every email is someone you can build trust with. Every relationship can lead to a future sale. Giving real value for free is one of the fastest ways to turn strangers into superfans.